Trump is guilty.
Facing potential jail time in his hush money case, Donald Trump just got a reprieve. No sentencing decision until after the election.
It's a momentous victory for Trump, who has tried everything possible and has cited the reputational harm that he would absorb if he were sentenced before.
In a new ruling from New York Justice Juan Merchan, Trump's sentencing was moved from September to November 26. Merchan wrote, "The public's confidence in the integrity of our judicial system demands a sentencing hearing that's entirely focused on the verdict of the jury," adding that it should not be diluted by the enormity of the upcoming presidential election. The victory builds on Trump's other legal win from July, when the Supreme Court granted immunity for some presidential actions.
It really did complicate all of the legal cases moving forward, and certainly is pushing them out past the election from a scheduling perspective.
No one is above the law.
Outside a different courthouse in New York, another legal battlefront for Trump. His team is requesting a retrial in the civil defamation and sexual assault case against Trump from the writer E. Jean Carroll. She won the case last year. As he's done following most of his court appearances, Trump took to the podium.
Because it's about a former president of the United States who is now leading in the polls to be the president again. I call it the Department of Injustice, because they're using the Department of Justice to rig the campaign.
With Justice Merchan's ruling, Trump has arguably jumped his biggest legal hurdle before the November vote. The question now is what happens to those cases should he win or lose the election. Chris Reyes, CBC News, New York.